Hello friends, I am Vijay. This is my next video. This video is about Amazon course. In this video, we have to learn about Amazon listing overview. I show how the listing is created, how the products will hunt, how the hunt the product listing criteria we can see in our lecture. Okay friends, don't skip the video. This video is very useful. If you like this video, click the like button. Okay, let's enter into the topic. Okay, before we enter into the topic, I like to tell some points. You note the point, it will very useful for this Amazon course. Okay, first point is BSR, that is best seller rank. That means if in our college days and school days we get some mark, it will rank according to the order 1 to 100. That the same process is going on in this product hunting. The top selling products is 1 to 100 is good sales and get a good profit margin. It's shows in the top of the pages. That is BSR. That means best seller rank. And then second point is ASIN. ASIN means Amazon Standard Identification Number. That means if the product has each listing has unique identification number, that is called as ASIN. Each listing has different identification numbers, like start from B0, that is called as ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. That is second point. And then third point is, if don't go by three things. One is gift cards. Second one is Amazon's products like Amazon Alexa, Echo. Don't sell that product. Don't go by the product. And then third one is video game. Don't go by video games. Okay friends, these are the criteria. These are the products. Let me show how the product is work, how the listing we created as an overview. This is the Amazon's buyer account. You have to open this account as Amazon.ae. This is the UAE's buyer account. Previously, I teach about the seller account. I can teach you later how to create a account for seller. Okay, first this is the Amazon's buyer account. This is a search term. Okay, first point. This is a search term. We have to search the product here. Okay, first I search one product. Okay, I open one product. Which product? These are the product page. I choose this product first. This is called as listing. We have to create a listing like this. This is the title. This is the title. This is what price is Amazon is selling the product. Amazon and other buyers selling the product. This is has a star fields. What the product is selling faster, it has 5 out of how many stars according to the product selling in the market, selling in the Amazons. This is Amazon's choice is 200 baht per piece. This is why, because in 1 month Amazon will show this product as more as in first page of the listing. It's fast selling product, that's why it shows Amazon's choice. This product is selling in Amazon as 35 dirham. 35 AED is product is selling. Okay, and these are the details of this product. This is Amazon's CamKicks lens cleaning spray kit. It will show the details like this. Okay, if we come down, this is the product details. This is the product details page. This is product details page. First one is BSR. I already show you that BSR, best seller rank, and item dimension. How much the dimension of this item here? It will show like this, and date of the item. What date it will posted this listing to show to the customers. These are the details page, and this is ASIN, Amazon Standard Identification Number. It has a unique identification number for this. This is B0, like this it will start. Okay, and then these it will these also the product like this means it will show some related products to this Amazon listing. Okay, and fourth point, okay friends, this is today's video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you need more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.